Right, so nice and easy today. We've got a replacement rear wiper nozzle jet. So this bit is previously snapped off in the back of mine, so I'm going to change the whole unit because I don't know if you can see, there's like a little groove on the end here, and that's actually snapped off inside this piece. So we've got to take off the whole rear panel of the tailgate, so let's get cracking. Right, so the first thing I've got to do is remove my curtain rail. I've got to take these little screws out, which is annoying. So there's only 4 of them, so we'll take those screws out and then we can take the panel off. Got 8 screws to take off. Can't see them. Take the handle off and hopefully this whole panel will come off. I don't know if you can see, but that little bit there is what we need to take off. This piece here. Right, so to get this bit out, it comes out, but it won't actually come out, so I've got to take the whole motor out. So I believe they're 10 mils, so I've got a couple of spanners, take them out, we'll take the wiper off, and then we'll take the motor out, and we'll go from there. 13 mil, that's got to come off first. Little washer, I've got to take the wiper arm off, and then that bolt behind, that nut. And then we should be able to undo the motor. Right, well, that's the motor out, happy days. Just got to take this bit out. Piece of piss, mate.
Oh, you targeted that one. On that handle then?
Yeah. That's it. That just goes back into there.
That's what speakers see, because that's the only place to have any room behind them.
Oh, you got speakers on your back?
Mine, yeah. See, on mine, I cut that. See that recess is next to the handle? I put a big baffle board over that.
That's the motor back on. Just these 2 bolts. Just got to connect that back on. And then we'll push the nozzle in from the other side. I'll get my mate to hold it so it doesn't push back out again. Right, let's crack on. Don't know if you can see, but this rubber grommet, when it goes back on, there's like a little notch at the bottom. So that way you know it's going back on the right way. Slide that in, and I'll put the nut back on. Put the wiper blade back on, hopefully in the same right position. And just tighten her up. That's the nozzle. It doesn't stay in because every time I push it in, it's pushing out on the other side. So I need to go get my mate. He can hold the back side of it. I can just knock this in. Right, so I had to take the motor back out because every time I was pushing this in, it was just flexing too much. See that? Yeah. So I've had to take it back out and do it with the motor like this on the floor. Right, so that's it, it's in. Literally just push straight in. I couldn't get my fingers up behind to stop it from flexing out. That's in there now, so I just refit it all. Sweet, so that's all on there. The cap goes on there somehow, I guess. How like that? Nice. Nice. Sweet. Alright, looks a lot better.
But later on you're going to be freezing.